Hey everybody! Today's theme is cooking fun. So all of these words are things you might say or use in the kitchen. All right? When you're cooking. Are you ready? Let's begin. Pot. Pot. Stew. Stew. Potatoes. Potatoes. Grocery. Grocery. Store. Store. Cart. Cart. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Kitchen. Kitchen. Mom. Mom. Noodles. Noodles. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Fantastic! Now let's do it faster. Pot. Pot. Stew. Stew. Potatoes. Potatoes. Grocery. Grocery. Store. Store. Cart. Cart. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Kitchen. Kitchen. Mom. Mom. Noodles. Noodles. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Great! Are you ready for a little game? I'm going to call out a word and you need to choose the matching card. Listen carefully. Cart. Cart. Excellent. Noodles. Noodles. Good work. Mom. Mom. Great job. Potatoes. Potatoes. Perfect. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Terrific. Pot. Pot. Well done! Now we are going to do a memory game. Remember where these cards are. I'm going to call out one word, and you need to point at the right card. Are you ready? Look for grocery. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is grocery? Could you find it? Yes, you could. Nice work. Now look for sprinkle. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is sprinkle? Did you find it? Yep, you did. Great job. Now look for stew. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is stew? Did you find it? Yep, you did. Perfect. Now look for kitchen. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is kitchen? Could you find it? Yes, you could. Good work. Thank you for studying Cooking Fun with me today. One final question. Where do you need to put the food to boil it?